Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go and look at why I had an air leak on the BMW, like a vacuum leak air leak. So there's me just having a look at the
taking off that
old
pipe. Took
air
me
hose.
ages.
As you can see,
Obviously, we can
in
see
the
we've got a
video,
nice split
there's
there,
like 3 or 4 hose,
and a
like
nice
3 or
split
4 tears in that hose.
there. So that's
I
probably
don't know why it got that bad or how it got that bad, to be fair, but it did. So yeah, it's just me showing all the damage of the hose.
Go over the RPMs. So we
That's it
definitely need to replace that.
on the bench. Me
Rather
showing some more
sharpish.
damage on the hose.
I've got something to sort out that because that is horrendous.
And how bad it is.
Back to it.
And then this is the new hose I bought. It's alright, actually. And this is the one of the small vacuum lines that was brittle and cracked. It was real crispy, just bad. So we replaced that with some new hose I found at work. So we popped that on. Got that all sorted, that was alright. As you can see, going around, it's got like a wood film over it as well, so hopefully it will stay better intact than the last one. Replace the old hose with a new hose, obviously lubing it up. Returned it back to OEM standard with the airbox. And yeah, I've had no vacuum leaks since then, so it's all been good. It's all been like running how it should do. Anyway, thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow me for the next one. Thanks.
And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.